Hello, Yumi Sushi.
Yumi Sushi. I want to ask about Yumi Veggies and Domi.
One veggie.
This is spicy or no?
No, madam. But if you like spicy, we additional.
No, because in the hunger station you write Yumi sauce. Yumi sauce is not spicy, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, because I'm not eat the spicy. طيب, what about the sushi? Which kind of sushi no spicy inside? Abi maki spicy?
Just little bit only, not too much, madam.
No, I can't eat spicy. The katana roll.
All, no problem, madam. If you don't like spicy, we remove all spicy. We put only teriyaki sauce and Japanese mayo like that, madam.
No teriyaki sauce. Japanese mayo, okay.
Okay.
Yani I write in the note with the hunger station.
Okay. Yes.
Which one no spicy? Katana roll or crazy api or what?
Tempura maki, madam. This is only teriyaki and Japanese mayo. The sauce on top.
Tempura maki?
Yes. And mango maki like that.
What?
Mango maki, tempura maki.
That's a crazy api maki and katana roll. There is spicy.
Yes, but as I told you before, madam, if you don't like spicy, we remove. I just put on the teriyaki sauce only.
Okay, I will order now and I write no spicy for everything. Please, huh? I can't eat spicy. I have a problem with the spicy.
Okay, madam, no problem.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you. I wait your order on the hunger.
Oh, okay.
Okay, madam. Ayaw, naghama. Yun. You want to spicy? Hindi. Okay na yan. Tumawag na yan kanina. At pagka-receive ko nga ng order ni madam dito sa hunger station na ni-request niya na without spicy lahat dahil hindi nga daw po siya nakakain ng spicy. Indomie veggies at itong order niya na ebi maki at tempura maki. Bali ang sauce nga lang na ilalagay natin dyan ay teriyaki at Japanese mayo dun sa note ni madam sa order niya sa hunger station na paulit-ulit. At yun na nga si partner at nagluluto na nga ng Indomie noodles na vegetable flavor. Buti na lang itong si madam ay magaling mag-English kaya nagkaintindihan kami agad at nagkasulubong. Kaya napa-order na nga siya agad at naintindihan niya rin ang aking English Carabao. Kaya naman ito isi-serve na namin pagkatapos nitong gawin ng kanyang dalawang uramaki na 4 pieces at Indomie veggies. Yun lang, salamat, love you all.